Sharing my screen.
I'm giving the permission. Yeah.
Yeah, give me the
Now you
permission.
can, yeah.
Numbering is like quite like not properly arranged yet, like 1 then 8, but all are there.
Just little bit zoom.
Zoom.
Yeah. This one, this plus icon you can press or control plus. Sorry, control plus plus.
Yeah,
Late.
no, what happened? Control plus.
Wait. Give me the pani mode permission.
Yes.
That.
Yeah.
Video is also here. Yeah.
One by one.
I am not leaving for now.
Number one, like should I show one by one? First one, then two.
No, wait.
Okay.
And Rohit, you also completed all those things, right?
No. I left 4, 5, and 8. I was unable to do that one.
4, 5, and 8.
4, 5, and 8. One second.
Right.
I'm trying. One second, I'm showing. So yes, no. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7. 5, 7, and 8. Number 5, number 7, and number 8.
I'm also skipping 6 to 8.
Starting one.
Hold it.
Yeah. First one.
Like second question was like write a MongoDB query to display all the documents in the collection students. It was too easy, right? So
Yes.
it is like
Yes.
normal find dot find only. Then the query to display fields restaurant ID, name, borrow, and cousin for all the documents in the collection restaurant. So it should
Number
be normal.
3.
Number 3. So first parameter is normal blank.
This one is number 3.
Yeah, it's good. This is correct. Okay. Next, number 4. Display the first 5 districts which are the borrow bronze. So this is the okay. This is also correct. Number 5. Display the next 5 districts after skipping. So skip 5 dot limit 5.
Yes.
This was not running on my PC.
This is not
query.
This query.
You know. Yes. I was running this thing. But
Ran on your machine, Sangeeta?
Yeah. You want me to run this right now?
Yeah, run it.
Okay. Let me open this MongoDB.
Good morning, everybody.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning, Sylvie.
when I'm giving skip 0, then it is running. But when I'm giving the skip 6 or 5 or 4, it's not running. Actually.
Skip
Right.
Do you have that much of say, data? Because if you don't have say 6 say valid records, it will not run, na?
No, I have 27 records in my PC actually.
Now, skip 6 of that particular condition, I mean to say.
Okay, okay.
My system actually takes time. So, Bongodi worker recent connection failed. Right?
Okay, leave it. Just stop your
Yeah,
share.
somehow it is showing that it's not getting connected. Like something.
Yes, fine. You can check it. I'm sharing my screen, okay? So the question is, so answer should be db.distance, then find first parameter is always that query. So query should be like what is the borrow. This is string,
Monix.
okay, and then skip 5 dot limit 5.
5, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the answer. First, you need to check in your documents those records are there or not. If those are not there, like in your documents, like only three records are there, which are match this condition. Okay, so you are skipping 5, so then result will
Yes.
be none or 0. Okay, so
Okay.
you also keep in mind like this record should be like, so every time when I'm giving assignment, first read all the questions first. According to the questions, then you just enter your documents to the collection according to that. Okay, so you can
Okay.
means it will return some results, so you can see, okay, these are the results. Okay, so this is the thing. So this is the answer for 4. So for what Chandrima did, that is also correct. He is also using equal to operator, so that is also correct. Okay.
Yeah, I have done it with equal.
Yeah, then it is also correct as told. Next, normally we require to find the restaurants which are located in latitude values less than. So it is normally like address dot coordinate.
Yes.
Okay. Next, I am moving to latitude.
Actually, I have one question. This is the latitude, so the first value of the array. So, do we need to mention that in our answer? I mean, this is the first one of the array. So, how to check that?
0 or 1. In an
Zero,
array,
no, is not working actually.
it's not working.
No.
Give me some time. Because
One not working means
I mean, then third bracket 0, I have working, I mean, tried that. I told you na, that in just particular, the number is can be latitude or longitude both. So
but only
it's not
first
the
value,
right way.
not the value after comma. It's not taking. Only the first value it's taking. The which was in mind.
Yes, that's I'm talking about.
Oh,
It's true
it will
about
be equal
latitude, but
to.
not longitude. So
Yeah,
we
only
have to do something.
but if you give that separately, only
okay,
longitude value.
there another solution is there. Okay, so first you need to give means in query operator for you just need nothing. You just need to give normal one. Like I'm doing copy and paste. Those answer already I did when I'm making those assignment. You just try like that way. Is it work or not? Just let me know.
This is only I did.
Yes. Already we did that, but
Yeah.
is this the right way? I mean,
Yeah, it is
it's
the
not.
right way. Because because it is checking with all, means when you are giving like only single value, it is running one like loop. Okay, in an array. So it's checking if that is like less than, then it will return.
I mean, only the first value.
Yeah. Okay.
And if it is same, if it is not in the first value, then it will go in the second value, na.
Yeah. Then it will go to check the second value, then third value, like that.
But then if the second value is less than that, it will consider that also.
When you know first one is matched, then it will return directly. It will not gonna check the second one. If it is not
But-
matched first one, then it will go next one.
Oh, okay, then but we don't need that now. If first one is not matched and second one is matched, that will be in our
Yeah,
data.
that is another way you can do. That is you can do in a aggregation. Okay, so this is a normal procedure, but coordinates we are not gonna find like that way. Okay, that today I will learn. Yeah, that day I told like today we will learn from geospatial data how to find the location with latitude and longitude, like that way. That we will do today. So just
No, actually, I have one question actually.
yeah.
If there is not latitude or longitude, any other things, and we need the only first value, then how to do that? Address dot chord dot I mean third bracket 0.
Oh, you will return only array first value.
Yes.
So you have tried like 0, third bracket 0, right?
Yes.
So there are two operators. There are two operators is there. One is dot first. Okay, that is dot first. Sorry, dot first. No, sorry, that dollar first. Dollar first. If you put dollar first, then it will return first element.
Only the
of
first
array.
value.
Okay. Another is array element. Like this is the syntax. Array element at. Then this is the array, your array, and then this is the position. Like you want to take 0 position, 2 or 3 or 7, like that. Got it?
Almost.
This you want, no? Like I'm giving one example. Like let me say this is the array. Okay. So in an array 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 elements are there in array. So you need to pick 3. Okay. So that there. So this should be like this ABC will go there. Then position
And after comma,
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2 will be there.
It will return 3. Only 3.
Yes.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay.
Now fully clear. So array element that, another is dot first, then your array. So it will return the first element, then dollar last. This is last. It will return last element. Got it?
It's 4.
So next one 7 also I am skipping. Same thing is there. Get score. There are two conditions. Get score more than 70 and latitude less than minus 65 dot something. Okay. And next MongoDB query to find the restaurants achieve a score and more than 80. This is also a very simple one. Everyone is completed that.
No, I skipped.
Find the
Actually,
restaurant achieve a score more than 80 but less than 100.
Yeah, will I show? I have done it.
You have done it.
I also
number
done it.
six-
I also
number
done it.
7 and I have skipped number 7 and 8. Because when I'm giving address means grade dot score, it is not running on a PC.
Like that way.
Oh, okay.
Grades, this is the element match. This score is greater than 80 or less than 100.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
So any other left? Okay, pagination, I think everyone can do that, right? Pagination is completed, right?
Yes, yes,
So I'm
yes.
skipping that one also. So that done for now. But for next assignment, you will get huge number of questions, these queries. So be ready for that.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start for today. Who is there? Hey, anyone asking something?
Uh, one thing I'm facing, can you please help me with this?
Yeah, sure.
That why connection is not getting established. I think one new IP address I have to add. Suddenly, like
Just check your cluster. I think maybe something got mismatch or something. You need to check the
yeah, it
cluster.
is showing that connection to this IP address closed. So I have to add new IP address, I
Yeah,
guess.
maybe you have added any IP address or you gave like 000.
No, I have added. I have two IP address. It's showing active. Then I'm deleting one, adding another one.
So you can do, you just add one IP address that should be 0.0.0.0.0. Okay?
Will I show? Like, can you just see once? It will take hardly 1 minute.
Yeah. Sure.
Just enable, please, once. Host
Enable,
visible
right?
participant.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, now.
With this message I'm getting. Connection monitor closed. So I'm trying to add this IP address. So here access list entry. What I
Click on that button, allow access from anywhere.
allow access from anywhere.
Yeah. So it will automatically give 000.
Yeah, so
Yes.
click on the confirm button.
Any comment I need to give?
No.
Okay.
For your learning purpose, every time you can use 0.0.0. And those IP address for production purpose, okay?
Pending showing.
Yeah, it will take some time. That's what I told you. So next time it will connect, okay? So you can
Okay, then I'm
forward.
studying.
Yeah. So from previous class that update and delete was pending from my end, right? So
Yes.
start from update and delete. It will not take too much time. So I am sharing my screen. Today my internet is slow. So this is the user moderator.
Products to
Yeah, products too. So here there are two types of command is there for update one. Update. One is update one, another is update mini. Okay. So this is the syntax.
Yes, it's connected.
Congratulations. Now give the party.
Yeah, I will give. Tomorrow you all are coming, right?
Yes, I am.
I'm
Okay.
also.
Also.
So this is the syntax. Okay. So first db dot then collection name for our case is products 2 maybe. Okay. Then update one first parameter should be filtered. Means this query. Okay. Then what data you should to update. And these are options that you can like skip. Okay. So for update, what I can do, I just give one like which ID. Okay, which ID is 1.0. Okay, which ID is 1. Yeah, then So set method we are gonna use to set a new value to the exist key. Okay. So this is the filter where that ID is equal to 1. Okay. In that document, that price should be updated to 899. So you can see that price is 799, right? Or not?
Yes.
Right? So now I am running it. Now let's check. So you can see now price is 899.
899. Okay.
So it's updated. So update one, it will run for means when it is match, first match, then it will update. If any means you are giving like there like gender male. So in a collection like multiple documents should be like holding gender male. So if you are using update one, then it will work for only one document. Okay, not for more than one, and one should be like first one. What is matched with this criteria? Okay. If you are using update many, then it will execute for more than one. Okay, there are two comments, one is update one, another is update many. Okay.
Okay.
Update one that you have written ID 1. That means that particular ID.
Yeah, that particular ID is 1 if that criteria is matched. Means like find, you have given some criteria na, to find some document. Same way, if you want to update, so every time if you want to update, that update should have some criteria every time. Okay.
No, I'm talking about only this particular column which is having ID 1.
Yes. That document should be updated with price should be 899. Okay.
Understood.
Like that way. So if you are using update many, then it will work for more than one.
More than one.
Okay.
But here it will get only one.
Here it will return only one, means it will work for only one because you are using update one.
ID.
Yeah, ID.
Oh,
Not I'm talking here. I'm using ID, but sometimes like
Yes.
you have to update some some value which are holding like gender equal to male, like that way.
Yes,
Like,
yes,
gender
yes.
equal to male. So obviously in your collection there should be more than one records are there which are holding gender equal to male, right? So that time you use update many because their update one is not work for your like your requirement. So that's why if you are using update many, that means it will work more than one. Means how many records are matched with that criteria, it will work on them. Okay. So this is update many, and there are something like you can use increment or decrement some operators also there. Like I'm giving again, I'm using update one. Here you can like just notice here that criteria is ID 1 and I am using increment operator. Previously I was used set operator, that means it will set. Okay, it is a replace the value. But here I am using INC, that is increment. Okay, INC for increment. So that time I am giving price 50. That means that price should be incremented by 50. It will not gonna replace by 50.
I mean, if it was 100, it should be 150.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it was now 899. So let's run.
949. Something like that.
No, it's not running. Need to check. Oh, sorry. No, its price is integer. So why it is not run? Yeah, now maybe it's run. Yeah, why it is not running? Acknowledge to match account. Okay, matched is not running. 1.0. So I'm trying to match with some other document. Oh, sorry. This should be products too. So now it's increased. See 9.9. Okay. So like that way you can use minimum value, max increment, min increment, multiple, unset. If you want to remove some field from that document, then you can use unset. Like that way you can do.
Unset?
Unset means like you want to remove this field. So you have to give unset storage, then it should be removed from this document. Okay, like that way. There are some operators, like there are lots of operators. So if I'm going to one by one, it will take too much time. Okay. So when like your requirement is come, you just do the Google search, you will get it, or you just follow the MongoDB documentation. There are lots of things are there. Here I'm showing like how to use the syntax, how to do. Okay. There are one popular another method is there, that is upsert. That upsert is for, this is not any criteria, any filter or any update. This is another thing, that is options. So when we are going to use upsert, it will come to options, like this third parameter. First parameter is filtered. Okay. First parameter is filtered. Second parameter is that value, and third parameter is options. Okay. So when you are using upsert, that I am saying just, it's very simple. Like if you want to update some record, okay, like you want to give like ID 13. So that record is not there. Okay, so it's not matched. So then it will create this new value with ID equal to 13. Got it?
Yeah.
With update operator, you can insert first what criteria or what filter you are giving. First, it is checking that field, means what criteria you are giving, that is there or not. If not, then it will create new one. Or if it is there, then it will update. So if exist, then update. If not exist, then insert. So this is upsert. If you are giving upsert true, if you are giving false, then it will not. So by default it was false. Okay. So if you are not giving any option, then it by default it was false. So if you want to use upsert, then you need to give upsert true. Everyone got it? Everyone got it?
Yes.
So this is update 1. Hey, how many times late for this meeting? Anyone can see?
No.
It's not showing
Well, I think it
actually.
is almost 7 minutes.
7 minutes,
It
right?
says, yeah, approximately 7 minutes. Or
Okay.
6.50 seconds.
Then it will complete the delete one also. So for delete one also same. I am not showing. Just see the filter. Like delete one, that means it will check the filter. Like if any match the criteria, like here, like ID equal to 1. That means if that criteria is matched, option is not needed. Okay. Then it will return, means it will delete that document. Like update
In a
1.
full record.
Yeah, full record, obviously. Okay, so it will record this record, it will delete this record which is matched with ID 1. So delete 1. If you want to use multiple delete, means more than 1. Okay, so
Delete
then
many.
should be delete many.
Okay.
Okay, the delete is too much simple. Got it, everyone?
Suppose delete many,
Yes.
like which are having gender male or a condition.
Yeah, so that should be delete many here, like gender equal to male. Done. Option you don't need to provide. Done.
Delete will be delete the whole record, not
Delete one, delete many if you are using, like you are not giving any criteria, then it will delete all the documents.
All.
Okay.
And in this
So if
case,
you are
it
giving
will
any criteria,
delete-
then it will delete all those documents which are matched this criteria.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So my
can we
gender is male.
delete just one particular value in a document?
Yeah, that I'm saying that delete one. Delete
No,
one.
a particular
No.
field from that row, a particular field.
But
Yes.
that row, then you need to update. I told previously, unset. That is update
Unset.
operation.
Oh, unset.
Okay,
If you
okay,
want to
okay.
update,
Unset.
it unset. So then this field
Unset.
is deleted from that record.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
got it? Like when in a
Okay.
real life scenario, if you want to delete, so it delete should be the whole record.
Okay.
So that's why we are using like relation. That yesterday the last day I already told that relations. So like that we need to think and you need to make the document, make the database like a relational database you need to make. So when like order users, so order is related to with users. So if you want to delete order, then it should be delete the order only, not the whole user. So like that you need to make. So then delete operation should be work perfectly for you. Okay. Or you
Okay.
sometimes also you need to like unset some value, unset some field, then you need to use unset on update operation. Okay, so delete and update was too easy. Insert, delete, update is too easy. Main funda is find or aggregation.
Yes.
This is the
True.
main thing. This is actually query building. Okay. Okay, so join the next meeting very soon. Bye bye.
I had a question like the
Yeah.
assignments. Yeah, I had a question like I mean not the assignment is done, but I'm having the question is like there you gave like multiple scores. Like what we did only if among 5 one score is matched, that time the query like the result is displayed. But first time I thought that if like all the scores are getting like if we sum all the scores, then we have to match the condition. Later on I got to know now if only one score is matched, then the result will display. So like if I want to give that condition, like I want to find the result, which if I do like plus all the scores, if that criteria is matches like if I plus
You
all the
want to
scores, then
plus the all elements in an array, right?
yeah.
So there are another method is there. This is sum. That operator is there. $sum. Then you need to provide that array. It will automatically return.
Yeah, I'm just asking that if the condition was supposed to like if I sum all the scores, then if it's greater than 100,
You
then display all.
just note down your question, okay, and send it to me personally on Facebook. Okay, I will return to the answer. Okay,
Okay, okay,
or you can do the on not personally. You can do on the console log also. Then everyone can see. Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay. So I'm moving forward to the next one.
Okay.
Bye bye then. Join
Thank
soon.
Sure.